same fears that you had got. The same fears, health fears, interview fears, concerns. Tomorrow will not do any good to that tomorrow. I'm worried. Hey, tomorrow exam da. Unless I learn today, nothing will happen tomorrow. Agree?
Yes.
Okay, fine. Okay. So I want to tell you something very important here. I'll take another 5 minutes as such. Okay. Sharath, actually I picked something from what Sharath says. I'm not a software engineer. Okay, I'm not a software engineer. Why am I in an IT company like this? Okay. Basically, we are all from different backgrounds. I'm basically a journalist. I did my master's in journalism, and after that I worked for a couple of news agencies and all that stuff. I was working for Press Association, which is the UK's news agency, and one fine day I decided, I'm done with journalism. And then I got married. Okay, and then I got to know about Infosys and I joined Infosys. They gave me an offer and I came here. My intention was to come into Infosys, stay for 6 months and run away. Stay for 6 months. Who IT company da? Who is going to stay in IT company? It's going to go. But believe me, this is my 8th year. Why? Because the company gives me so much. It takes care of everything. Okay. We have health insurance. Okay. In which, in case you fall sick, you meet an accident, the company takes care of you. You've got systems in which it's called HALE, Health Assessment and Leisure, blah 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 blah. So in which they organize a lot of activities for us to stay healthy, including yoga. Imagine doing yoga. Okay. You can learn violin here, you can learn salsa also here, you can do all that. Photography, as he said, so there's so many things over here. The Green Club, they're doing a wonderful job in fact. Suja is a very good warrior for the Green. So she's been there, there's a lot of work. So I want to bring the focus to you about yourself. Now, what is Vinod doing in this company? Very simple. Journalism background, okay, left journalism, come to an IT company. Technically, everybody thinks either I am a software engineer or I'm HR. Because HR means my wife is an HR, so think I'm an HR because I'm always with her. Okay, so that's how it is. I'm none of them. But what does Vinod do here? Okay, in simple words, Vinod just has a good time in the office. Has a good time in the office. I come to the office, I do my work, communications, meeting with people, listening to leaders, all that we do. I get inspired every day, believe me, I get inspired every day. So in fact, yesterday, we had what we call as the all hands meet. Hands. It's a term, it's used. When all hands come together, when people come together. So we have a organization-wide, we're about some 6,000 employees, 5,500 employees of EdgeVerve, per se, EdgeVerve. And we had this all hands meet. So all the employees come together, not physically. Those who are in Bangalore will meet in the Bangalore hall. Those who are in the other locations will come on VC, video conference. So we met. So I organized this entire program for them end to end. Believe me, it was such a joy to organize this event. You've got to get the facilities department, you have to get the security department, you have to get everybody. Such a joy. What did I learn at the end of the day? I was dead tired at the end of the day. I left the office at 11:45 night. Okay. But still, I came in the morning at 8:30, I left 11. But still, what did I enjoy? I enjoyed the whole day. I had fun learning, I had fun organizing. The skills of learning and organizing, who teaches you? MBA teaches you. Do I need an MBA degree to learn this? No, 1 day of Infosys will teach you. Sharath comes to the office. Okay, he's a part of the Spark program, where students come in. He works even on a Saturday like this. Yesterday he worked till 3 a.m., 4 a.m. and he's here in the morning. Why? You see the joy in his face? What does Sharath get out of this? The joy. Okay. Suja works all the time. She's always working. If she's not working, she's communicating, doing things, organizing something all the time. Why is she here?
Very busy.
Very busy. Why is she here? Because we have joy. Joy is when we go that extra mile. Joy is when we do not something which the world tells us. The world tells us, Bhaiya, padho, exam likho, kelo, kudo. No, something beyond that also. But it depends on your individual capacities. Okay. I'm going to ask you a very personal question. You're free to answer it or not. How many of you have fallen in love? You don't have to raise your hands. Now, others are watching you. How many of you have fallen in love? I didn't say with a boyfriend or a girlfriend. How many of you have fallen in love? You don't love your mothers and fathers?
Yes.
You don't love your mobile phones?
Yes.
You don't love selfies. You don't have the small little things which you have in your house. This is mine. I will die, but I will not part from this. We all love things, right? How many of us love life? Love life, yeah. How many of us love life? Leave all your gadgets behind, leave all that was told to you. You have to enjoy life. And when you enjoy your life, there's a big lesson. If I enjoy my life, I know that this man also has a life. I need to enjoy his life also. I need to respect him. Alright? So love, respect, okay, are two important things. And you find that in Infosys very much. Infosys can make money every day. But why does that man do Srishti work? Why does he do Spark work? Okay. Why does the sir be involved with so many social service activities? Why? Because we love life and we love people around. Right? So today you might think, I am from one place in the north. Where will I even fit into a city like this? What will happen to me? You're really worried, right? Are you worried about your future?
Yes.
Yeah. What is your biggest worry? Tell me your biggest worry. Job. Wow. Okay. Then. No, you will get a husband. Don't worry. What will I do? You're not going to get married. Don't worry. If he's not good, make him good. Okay. Only one wife. Don't think too much. Yes. What is your worry in life? I'll take another 2 minutes. That's it. What is your worry in life? You can be upfront. It's okay. You can be upfront. What is your worry in life?
Family.
Talents. Yes.
Family.
Family. Where? Obviously.
Career.
Yeah, huh?
Career. About a career.
About the career. Yes. Worried. Tell me. You can be very free. Big or small. Don't worry. Today you open your mouth. Yeah.
Sir, my worry is about health.
Health. Health. Oh, that's a concern. What is your worry? You don't have any. Happy people. You have no worries. What is your worry? What is your worry? Open your mouth. It's okay. Career. Exactly. Job. Anything more?
You guys don't have any assessment, test papers, e-journal like that?
Exams.
You don't have. You're happy to face that. Doesn't that make you worry?
Studies.
Come on, yeah, you started.
Interviews. Facing the interview. Oh my God. They ask you $1 question, $1 million question. That I will tell you some of the worries. I do not know how to speak in public. I do not know because my English is not good. I may not be looking good. I'm not that handsome and beautiful or charming as you see, right? Aren't these your worries? I don't know whether I'll be successful in life. My parents are these. I'll also land up like them. When will I ever do something higher than that? Right? Isn't that our worry? How many of you think that you will fail in life? Be very honest about it. Think today, as of today, you will fail in life. Respect, you will fail in life. Right? Because that's the fear telling us the same thing, you will fail in life. Believe me, I come from a family where they're all teachers. Everybody's a teacher. So everybody thought that even I'll become a teacher. Okay? But in life, I had my father who passed away with cancer. I had my mother who passed away with cancer. I have my brother who survived cancer. You talk about health concerns, talk to me about it. Alright? You talk about financial problems, talk to me about it. You talk about job change, job fear and insecurity, talk to me about it. Alright? But I'm telling you, here standing today, I've got 2 lovely kids. They're little boys. They're full of energy and activity, 2 lovely kids. I just tell them one thing, don't worry. As of now, what I'm supposed to do that well. What is Vinod supposed to do here? Become the clown. No. What is he supposed to do? He's supposed to talk to you and share with you the life experiences. Tell that life is beautiful. Life is not to be worried about. Life is not to be thinking about romance and relationship and all that and be stuck there. No, life is much beyond that. If Suja Warrior decides that after work I will go and watch movies every day, imagine the number of lives that she would have touched. She would have not touched so many lives. If Sharad decides, I left the office at 4:30, I go to sleep, would he be here? Would you even meet him? No. My other two friends, they have their own jobs. If they have left there and come back to Infosys, why did they come back to Infosys? So it simply means come out of your comfort zone. My comfort zone is I have six hours of free time. I can watch movies, chit chat, and spend time. No. Can I get up in the morning and run? Can I do that? Yes. So it simply means every moment of your life, do the things that you're supposed to do now. If I'm singing, sing well. If I'm clapping, clap well. If I'm dancing, dance well. If I'm here on this campus tour, do it well. Okay? All right with me. I know Vinod gives a lot of lecture. Okay, but believe me, this is all out of life experiences. This is all out of life experiences. Okay? Today, I have the same fears that you had got. The same fears, health fears, interview fears, concerns. But believe me, I'm a firm believer in God. Okay? Whether you believe in God or not, that's your personal choice. Believe me, I've never faced an interview. You have the fear of interviews, right? Yes. I have never faced one. There was a time where my bank balance was zero and my father had to go 22,000 of chemotherapy. I didn't have the money. He came, don't ask me from where, he came. So if you think about your problems, don't worry. The problems, every problem has zillion solutions. Not one, zillion solutions, many solutions. Okay? So today as you go from here, I wanted to take this message very strong. Don't worry about your problems. Okay? What you're doing now, do it best. If Sharat is talking, Sharat does it best. If Suja is organizing, Suja organizes it best. Do it best. Don't listen to what other people tell you. Sometimes your own people tell you, nahi, tumhara kuch nahi hone wala. You are good for nothing. You see the good for nothing is here? Do you know? My dad was a teacher in the same school that I was. Okay? I used to fail in subjects. 4 subjects. Teacher's son fails. My English was so bad that I was scared of talking. I was fat. Alright? So it simply means, whatever your situation may be, you decide where you want to take it forward. You decide where you want to take it forward. So once I met a blind person, and we interacted for some time in a conference, and then I met her after 6 years, and it was a very interesting conversation. I had to call somebody. I called her. I didn't know it was the same lady, and she picked my phone and she said, "Vinod sir," she said. I said, "Who are you?" "I'm the same Nilofer that you met." "How do you know?" "So I heard your voice." Interestingly, this Nilofer is blind. She's meeting me after 6 years. Not even face to face. Over phone. What did she register of me? She registered my name and my voice. If all of you close your eyes and if somebody of you speaks, can you identify their voice so easily? You can? Some. Yeah, some. The notorious ones, yes. Spot them anywhere there. Hey, why I said this was, remember the people in your life. Look at them, get inspired. Not the people who put you down. Get inspired. Alright? So as you go from here today, tell yourselves, I'm good. I'm good. Good. I can be better. I can be more better.
I can be more better.
Only if I wish. Not what father wishes. Not what your boyfriend or girlfriend wishes. No, only if
I wish.
Alright? Okay, give yourselves a big round of applause.